welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give an overview of what you can expect when taking the Level 5 NPA in Scientific Technologies. This course is designed to enhance your knowledge and practical skills in the laboratory to allow you to move on to further or higher education or go into employment. This course is covered differently in different schools but will cover the same content for the aspects that are assessed by the SQA. You may be taking this as part of a wider foundation apprenticeship also. This is a very practical course and is internally assessed throughout the year. One of the units of this course is laboratory safety. This unit covers the skills needed to identify hazards and precautions in the laboratory. This includes chemical and non-chemical hazards. You will look more closely at the laboratory itself and learn about the safety procedures required in the event of accident or emergency. You'll be required to carry out a risk assessment and follow this for an experiment. This unit is assessed with a test of 45 minutes. You're also required to describe safety procedures in a specific lab, and you also have to carry out a practical experiment. Using your knowledge of lab safety, you will also study a unit of experimental procedures covering the different sciences. You will set up and carry out various experimental procedures to gather results. You will process these results and perform calculations as required. You will then bring together your skills to plan, organise and complete a project. This unit is assessed through setting up, carrying out and recording data from 6 different experiments, 2 full lab reports and a project. Numeracy skills are essential in science, and you will cover the skills needed for science in a Maths for Science course. This unit covers the use of scientific notation, percentages and scientific formulae. Use of simple algebra is covered in the form of laws of indices, multiplying out brackets, factorising quadratics and using difference of two squares. Statistical maths is covered in the form of graphs and use of standard deviation, which are essential for looking at data gathered in scientific contexts. This unit is assessed with 3 tests of 30 minutes each, with each having a 60% pass mark. A unit of fundamental chemistry is also included. This covers a wide range of topics that form the basis of chemistry. This unit is assessed with a closed book assessment with a 60% pass mark and 3 experimental write-ups. I hope that you enjoy your scientific technology course. I hope to add some videos that will help with this course, so subscribe to be notified when they become available. You can also follow me on Twitter at MissAdamsChem for updates on new videos. Bye for now!